Normally, on X or Twitter, we get notifications, but if you want to receive them in your email too, you can enable a setting. After that, you'll get notifications in your email as well. In this video, we'll show you how to enable these notifications. To do this, open the X app. After that, at the top, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. When you do, you'll see Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Support. Then, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Click on that option, and here you'll see Notifications. Click on Notifications. When you click on that, you'll see Preferences. Click on Preferences, and here you'll see Email Notifications. Click on it. What you need to do is enable email notifications. After that, down here, you'll see lots of options. You can set them according to your needs. Anyway, after this, you'll get email notifications. So, this way, you can easily enable email notifications on X or Twitter. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.